Welcome to VQ Probe. VQ Probe is a professional visual instrument for objective and subjective video quality comparison. The main window of VQ Probe has three main areas: Project View, Playback View, and Matrix View. Once VQ Probe is launched, it has an empty project by default. Set up the project for your needs from scratch. Press the plus button on the Files tab of Project View. VQ Probe supports elementary video formats: AVC, HEVC, VVC, AV1, AV2, MJPEG, as well as media containers: MP4, TS, MKV, AVI, WebM, IVF, MOV. Select one or more files and press the Open button. Y4M files are opened automatically. In case of a regular YUV file, you will be asked to specify video parameters such as resolution, chroma subsampling, bit depth, and so on. Configure parameters of the file. Tune parameters until the image looks right to you. Once you open a specific file via the dialog, consequent openings of the same file will use the previous parameters as the default parameters. The first added file will be set as the left, the second file as the reference, and the third as the right. All other files will be simply added to Project View. When files are successfully opened, their information is displayed on the screen. If you want to set other files as the left, the right, and the reference, use the left, right, ref checkboxes. If you want to remove a file, simply click the minus button. The file will be deleted from the project, but you can always add it back. You can trim source files by double-clicking on the Start or the End column for a specific source file. A spin box will appear. Type in or select a required frame number and press Enter, or click the left mouse button outside the spin box. The value will be changed. All start and frame numbers that have been changed are marked in orange. You can apply trimming to all source files. To do that, press the right mouse button on the Start or the End column for a specific source file, and then choose either Apply Start Frame Number to others or Apply End Frame Number to others. Once the option is selected, all the files will be trimmed. Now, set up a couple of RD curves. Press the right mouse button at any empty space or on any RD curve item on the RD Curves tab of Project View. Choose Add RD Curve from the opened menu. Enter a name for a new RD curve and press OK. Please select one or more source files on the Files tab of Project View. Click them with the right mouse button, then select the Add to RD Curve menu item. You will see a list of RD curves to which the selected source files can be added. Add the files to the desired curve. Once you add source files to an RD curve, they will appear in the list of RD curves. An anchor RD curve is used for BD rate calculation. BD rates will be calculated for all other RD curves relative to the anchor RD curve. To mark an RD curve as the anchor, select that RD curve, press the right mouse button, and select Set as Anchor.